How do you think this changes the ability of marketers to use AI not just as a tool, but really as a true collaborative partner in ideating new marketing segments, new campaign ideas?
Yeah, well, I love recommendation engines. They're so interesting. And the way I like to think of their impact, I mean, take a human collaboration partner you've had, a human one that you've worked side by side. Usually those collaboration partners, those thought partners have offer you two things that are really interesting. One, I call it a flashlight. Hey, have you thought of this? Have you thought of that? What about this? So that is really great. So being able to collaborate with something who is bringing forward things you might not have thought of yet, in order to really open up your creative thinking. So that's one. And then the other I would call it is the springboard. So have you thought of this? Maybe this idea isn't the one that you want to go with, but because you've heard that, that's now triggered this new idea from your brain. So that's the springboard. So I think using AI for those two mechanisms are great. What haven't you thought of, and what can you think of because of that suggestion? And so we at GrowthLoop are looking to bring that forward because, I mean, when you tap the data cloud directly, I mean, the benefit is you have the whole, you have it all at your fingertips, but that's also can be daunting when you're first getting to know it. And so we want to be useful and say, okay, here are things that you might not have thought of yet. Would this be useful to you? What ideas does this trigger? So you can always think of how to better market to your audience in a way that's going to help them have a great experience and you meet your goals.